Today, I'll show you how to change currency in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, changing the currency usually means converting the chart data into another currency, not changing your account's country or app language. TradingView says you can do this by clicking the currency button on the price scale and choosing the currency you want from the list. To get started, open the chart you want to work with in TradingView. Then look at the price scale on the right side of the chart. Near the top of that scale, you should see the current currency or unit button. TradingView says this button usually appears when you move your mouse over the scale. Once you see it, click it. Now a drop-down list will open. From there, choose the currency you want to use. For example, if the chart is showing values in one currency and you want to see them in USD, EUR, or another supported currency, just select it from the list. TradingView says the chart will then be recalculated in the selected currency. After the conversion happens, the chart updates automatically. TradingView says the chart, the OHLC values, and the indicators will also take the currency conversion into account. So this is not just a label change. The displayed chart values are actually recalculated in the new currency. There's also another related setting you might want to know about. If your goal is only to show or hide the currency label on the chart, TradingView says you can open chart settings, go to scales and lines, and adjust the currency and units display mode there. That helps if you want the currency label visible all the time or hidden for a cleaner chart. Now here's something important to remember. TradingView says converted charts can behave a little differently from regular charts in some cases, so if a symbol doesn't seem to support the conversion the way you expect, that may be because of how that market or instrument handles converted charts. So, in simple terms, open your chart, move to the right side price scale, click the currency button, and choose the new currency you want. TradingView will then recalculate the chart in that selected currency. And that's how to change currency in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.